We're hooking up the exhaust ventilation system on this laser cutter, and a lot of the fittings that we're using here actually you can't buy, so we just 3D printed them. This is 6-inch PVC pipe, and that's what we're using as the main conduit, the straight pieces to carry the vacuum through. It came with these Vorpal pipes here that have a lot of flexibility to them, so we can get them roughly into the right shape. But for the long straight pieces, that's what the PVC is going to be for, and then we made these adapters on the 3D printer that will fit into the rubber piece here and then go onto the 6-inch pipe. Right at that top port up there, it needs to come down at a little bit of an angle, just like this, and then what we'll do is we'll adapt it down, just like that, so we can fit a Vorpal, these rubber tubes here, right onto the end of this. This fit right here is a really nice fit. That's a great press fit. We put a hole in the concrete here, and we have that 6-inch pipe, so let's just go ahead and clean it up. Well, we thought we had the correct angle for this piece of pipe up here, but it doesn't quite fit in because it's hitting this piece of pipe right up here, which is the reason we have this angled bracket, but it's just a little bit too less of an angle. So what we need to do is just bring that down a little bit more or make a little adapter to go on here to make it fit. And we'll drop our new pipe in FreeCAD. This is my first revision of it, but I think it does need to go a little bit shorter. I think we'd have the same problem. I printed the other adapter so it fits a little bit better. I had one dimension wrong on the back, so I was just able to trim that out so it still fits on the tube. And I'll go ahead and put this on the pipe. We'll epoxy this next fitting on. And we'll tap this on. On the wall we have some 3D printed brackets so we can snap this up onto the wall, and the glue is going to hold this top piece on so it can rest on that top bracket. We 3D printed these and then Tapconned them into the wall. We'll snap it in place. We'll connect it from the machine up here to the pipe. We're going to cut this flexible rubber hose to fit. We'll trim it down. We were able to get that flexible rubber hose into the 6-inch pipe to the point where that'll seal, so we don't end up needing this fitting here. But a lot of the other fittings on that thing are 3D printed, and that's what's really nice about it, is you can draw up what you need we used FreeCAD, and then you can 3D print them, and those little the adapters that take it from the 6-inch down and the little brackets that hold the pipe turned out great.